Hello guys, let me give you a quick update. So you know how I did the install on the 2017 GNC Yukon of the LED headlight bulbs that I got from DDM? Went perfectly fine. It was their highest LED kit. It was like $95. Everything was good. The parts were super quality. No issues at all. Unfortunately, the bulbs that I ordered for the fog lights were incorrect, so I had to ship them back. And the company didn't have the highest level LED kit for the fog, so they sent me their next best, which is this, the Raptor LED series. So I got it today. I go to open the box, and to my dismay, let me show you how these things came. I take out one bulb, and can you see that? The wire is not even attached to the damn plug. How the hell did they send me this in this, this kind of condition? Sorry guys, I got the little baby down here crying. What's wrong, baby? Relax. Back to it. The second bulb, it looks okay, but if you look closer at the connection is not made. It's broken right there. So, I just emailed the company and I'm gonna see what the hell their response is, but all the LED kits and the HID kits that I've ordered from this company, I have never had an issue with them, but hopefully they could resolve this for me, because I am not at fault for receiving a product of this quality. So stay tuned for the update on this, okay guys? See you on the next video. Please like, subscribe, and comment.